are day 2 in Amed. Amed is quite a chilled out place. Today, well, we're gonna organize maybe a trip to the Gili Islands. We're thinking probably to go to Gili Air. One tip is that it's probably better to try and negotiate locally with people because the price changes a lot, and so you can probably find a good deal. So there are 2 ways to go to the Gili Air Islands, or Gili Islands, let's say, because there are 3 different islands. You can either take a boat from Amed, which I was told is actually cheaper, but coming over here, people told me that actually Padang Bai is more reasonable. So I'm not sure. I think I have a good price for a ferry boat. So there is a slow ferry, but I recommend take the fast ferry, which is supposed to be like a 1-hour crossing. So basically we will go from here to Padang Bai. Then from Padang Bai you get the ferry to Gili Air, or whichever Gili Island you want to go to. That's going to bring us back then. It's an open return, so we can come back after, I think we want to spend 2 nights there. And then hopefully off to Ubud, where we plan to stay longer term. I'm going to drink my avocado juice now. Have you ever heard of avocado juice? I love these. Look at the straws. So they don't have plastic straws, they've got bamboo straws. And I love that. That's really cool. Okay, so we're a little bit stuck here. We have, in the place that we're staying at, there's nobody, so we can't order any food.
When we go there, but
and it's a very dark street. So what should we do? Shall we?
Let's go quick.
Okay. Don't advise to do. We are in the dark. We do have a torchlight, but we're trying to look for a place to eat, and we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. These are the things you can conquer when if you're just adults traveling together. It's not an issue, is it? But when you've got kids, it's more of an issue. Oh. Come on, let's go. I can hear something. It's complete dark. And freaking out a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna get back onto the main road. We just found people, so we're just gonna have a quick look at what's going on. We made it. We're just finding somewhere to eat, and you can see a bit more light over here. Found a warung, and it's a biker's place. Hey biker! My little biker. Let's go! So after our